Ever been on TikTok watching those food videos? It makes you want to eat, right?
Yummy.
Today we are trying some TikTok recipes. Let's take a look at some videos right here. This man is doing something with Cheetos, beef, ramen noodles, sardines. No. This is so gross. Okay, let's try some videos that I like. The first one we're gonna try is the egg and cheese sandwich hack. Yeah, it's like an upside down sandwich kind of thing. You need to be able to flip it, and that's the hard part for me. But we can do this. Let's do this, guys. Okay, Mom, get ready to blow your mind. Okay, so first thing is the butter. This is melting really quickly. Now we put in our egg. Oh yeah. I'm feeling that. I might have had the heat too high. Oh no, you guys, the egg is burning. I'm just gonna start over. Egg sandwich, take 2. Here we go, guys. Okay, now we're gonna do the egg for the second time. And we need to be ready at that bread. 1, 2, 3. We need to get fast. Okay, now. Next thing is the butter. And it's melting in my hands. Butter handed, honey, get it? Now it's time for the flip. Time to flip, and I am scared, guys. I'm nervous, guys. How do I do this? Is it both at the same time? Are you ready, Mom? Hey, we got it. Egg went everywhere, guys. The butter flipped. Oh my, what happened? No time for the cheese. Cheese time, guys. And these are a spatula because this cheese breaks. Don't make fun of my cheese. Roll that piece. Time to make it rain. Okay, cheese. Okay, now we flip the sides. Now I gotta flip it again, but this way. And I am nervous for this, guys. Very nervous. My spatula's stuck together, guys. Okay, ready? Let's flip it again. Mom's ready for another victory. We did it! Oh yeah! Look at this birdie, guys. How pretty. I wasn't sure I could do it, but it was good. Egg got the loose, guys. Little egg. Look at this. Look at this cheese.
With the perfect egg sandwich.
Okay, guys, this next video is about pasta. There's something that I love. This is a viral video about pasta on TikTok. It's got feta, it's got tomatoes, it's got oil, and it's got the noodles. I never had the feta cheese and pasta together, but I'm ready to try this. Let's do this. First thing is tomatoes. I'm using the colorful kind, guys. It's gonna be pretty. I'm hoping that this is fine, guys. Okay, time for some oil. We're fancy my oil here. I do not have a measurement for this oil, guys. I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, that looks good. Now it's time for the cheese. This feta cheese is going in the middle. This video went crazy. This ran out in Finland because it was so popular. Okay, bingo. We have our cheese. Now we need some spices. Gonna be adding some salt and pepper to taste. I'm eyeballing it. That's what she's doing. Okay, time to put it in the oven. She gives us the time. We're at 400 degrees. Let's bake. Okay. We just did our breakfast. We just did our lunch. My pasta's cooking in the oven. But we didn't do dessert. Time for some peanut butter cookies coming at you. Let's watch this, you guys.
1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Divide into 12 and place on a prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes.
We got this. Okay, guys, let's get started. While our pasta's in the oven, we're gonna do our cookies for dessert. Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Baking sugar, peanut butter for the recipe. Very sticky, guys. Very sticky. Peanut butter.
1 large egg.
The egg. Every time I crack this egg, it makes a mess, guys. Okay, ready? Looking good, guys.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. And some chocolate chips. Loud chocolate.
Mix it all together.
Okay, mix it all together. Very sticky peanut butter going on here, guys. This is all sticking together, guys. I can't get in here, guys. This is sticky. Sticky business going on here. Boom. I think it's pretty close to hers. Pretty close to hers. Pasta ready. Okay, guys, let's get these cookies on the pan. Then we'll finish our pasta. You ready, guys? Let's get scooping. Cookies, I might have made them too big because she got 12 and I did not. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's bake and let's check on that pasta. They're out. Doesn't this look amazing, guys? Let's keep going. Okay, what's next? Basil and garlic. Garlic and basil. Then we'll give it a good mix. Time to add the noodles. Are you ready, guys? It's gonna be a colorful pasta. Just look at these noodles. I'm not the same, but it's okay. The cookies are done? Too fast! I'm not done yet. Oh my god. They're gonna burn! Hold on, let me check on them. The cookie's not ready yet! Good, it gives me some time to do this pasta and finish. Now it's time to mix up and give it a try. I'm mixing it and mixing. I'm so excited to try this. Let's try this, guys. Okay, look at that. Let's try this. You ready? I never had pasta on feta. Oh my god, yes, this is so good. I never cooked tomatoes like that. I love it. This is so good. I love this recipe. I think the cookies are done just in time for dessert. Let me check on them. These took about 12 minutes to cook. The recipe said 6 to 8 minutes. They're warm, real crumbly. Let's try these. I love the vibe between like chocolate and peanut butter. It's so good, guys. This is my jam, my cookie jam. This is a win. But if you like this video, make sure to check out this video. I'll see you in the next one.